subject assessment regarding asking and giving information.
Hi guys!
Hi!
Do you know what team the math is tomorrow?
Oh, I can remember reading about it. Let me check the schedule. Oh, it's at 9 a.m. sharp.
Thanks Emma, I almost forgot about it.
Speaking of schedules, when's our next English assessment group?
I think it's due next Monday, but let me double check. Yep, it's due on the 10th.
Please, then give us a weekend to work on it. Hey, has anyone seen the schedule for the extracurricular activities next week? I have it here. Let me see. Oh, there are the club meeting on Wednesday at 3 p.m.
Perfect, I mark it down. Thanks, Sophie.
By the way, are we still meeting for our study group on Monday?
Yes, we are sometime 5 p.m. at the weekend. Sounds good. I bring some snacks to keep us energized.
Thanks, Sophie. I make sure to bring my notes.
Alright, looks like our schedule are all set.
Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.